Today in 3D design, we're going to do something challenging but fun. We're going to carve Oreos. First, you need to make sure you complete your 3 possible idea sketches because sometimes what you plan on creating does not turn out and you need a plan B. When you separate your Oreo cookie, don't worry if some of the filling comes off onto the other side of the cookie. You're not going to use all of the filling as you're carving. When you're carving, you're also going to be able to add in extra filling that you removed from other places. So save this. I would not recommend just eating it. Save it on the other half of the cookie that you're not planning to use for your artwork. For my example, I'm going to create a cupcake. That was one of the 3 sketches that I created for ideas. So I'm removing the filling around the edges of the cookie and leaving it in the center. Then I'll work with the filling in the center to create the cupcake. And if I need to add in any more filling, I can just take it on my toothpick from the other side of the Oreo. As you can see, I'm using the toothpick for everything. While I'm working, if I start to get filling on the toothpick and I need to get it removed so that I can make more clean lines, I'll use my other hand, which would be my left hand, and just pull the filling off. So that's what I'm doing right now. I'm removing lines of filling, exposing the black Oreo cookie, and then I take the filling off the tip of the toothpick with my hand. I'll just wash my hands when I'm all finished. You can see I'm molding the filling. I'm using my toothpick to help sculpt it into what will look like frosting on my cupcake. And here you can see I'm adding in some extra filling using the scraps that I had already removed. As you work, you want to make sure you have clean, clear edges and a lot of contrast between the black cookie and the white filling. So just make sure you take your time and work through that so that you can have a crisp and clear image. And when you're all finished, make sure you take a good quality image of your Oreo carving and upload that as an attachment to turn in your work in Google Classroom. Once you know your work is turned in, you may eat your cookie carving. Just remember, each student has a 2 Oreo maximum.